Imagine yourself surrounded by the latest virtual reality worlds, immersed in an unparalleled level of detail and realism. Your senses on high alert as every pixel and texture come alive in breathtaking fashion. That's what's possible with the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, an AI-powered gaming powerhouse designed to shatter the boundaries of gaming and creativity. In a world where even the fastest systems can lag behind in the face of increasingly demanding applications, many gamers and professionals have found themselves stuck between a rock and a hard place. They crave the ability to push their systems to the very limits of what's humanly possible, yet the cost associated with such top-of-the-line machines often make them unaffordable for all but a select few. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i directly addresses this market gap, bringing the cutting-edge performance, features, and user-centric design that gamers and creators crave at a price that's accessible to a wide audience. Its elegant, futuristic design makes it the perfect centerpiece for any home office or gaming station, boasting an eye-catching aesthetic that's as striking as it is sturdy. In terms of build quality, the Legion Tower 5i doesn't disappoint. Constructed from premium materials and built around a rugged, tempered steel frame, this system exudes a sense of solidity and reliability that's impossible to ignore. Its compact size belies its remarkable capacity for expansion, with numerous bays and ports scattered throughout that allow users to easily upgrade and customize their build to suit changing needs. Now, let's dive into the heart of what makes the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i such a game changer. Its most significant feature by far is the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F CPU, an ultra-high-performance processor built to deliver lightning-fast gaming performance in even the most demanding AAA titles. Whether you're talking about frame rates, physics simulations, or graphics-intensive scenarios, the 265F CPU is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible, handling the latest games with ease and precision. And then, of course, there's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti GPU, a technological tour de force that's capable of delivering breathtakingly accurate visuals and unparalleled performance in its class. Experience lifelike virtual worlds where shadows cast themselves seamlessly across the landscape and textures are rendered in stunning clarity. That's what the Legion Tower 5i has in store for you. With its potent blend of the Intel 265F CPU and NVIDIA 5060 Ti GPU, this system is capable of tackling an array of intensive tasks with ease, from 4K gaming to AI-enhanced creative projects. But it's not just about brute force. The Legion Tower 5i also offers an expansive 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, along with a generous 1 terabyte of fast storage. That's more than enough to keep you running smoothly even in the most demanding scenarios. Real-world testing of the Legion Tower 5i has proven its capabilities in a variety of scenarios, from high-intensity gaming sessions to complex creative projects. In a gaming session, I witnessed a silky smooth performance that defied even the most extreme challenges, from the most visually stunning open-world adventures to the most punishingly competitive multiplayer titles. Of course, as with any high-performance system, there are trade-offs, and with the Legion Tower 5i, that means sacrificing power and performance for portability and affordability is an option. While this system is undeniably portable, its sheer mass and size make it more suited to stationary use, and its power requirements are substantial. Looking at it from a cost perspective, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is priced competitively within its class, undercutting many of its rivals in terms of outright performance and raw value. However, it's worth mentioning that a few of the most cutting-edge gaming systems out there do offer similar or even superior performance, albeit at a price point that's significantly higher. In the final analysis, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i stands proudly among the upper echelons of gaming systems on the market, offering a phenomenal balance of performance, features, and usability that's hard to match at this price point. Whether you're an avid gamer, a creative professional, or both, this is one AI-powered powerhouse that's guaranteed to elevate your game in ways both expected and unforeseen. So if you're ready to experience gaming like never before, with a level of realism and immersion that shatters the boundaries of what's possible. I highly recommend giving the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i a try. With its AI-driven features, uncompromising performance, and unbeatable value, this powerful gaming system is poised to revolutionize your entertainment and creative pursuits like never before.